Hey there, today we're gonna talk about how we can use Photoshop AI Generative Fill method, which is the latest AI tool by Photoshop, and how we can use this to take our creativity to the next level. Well, first of all, we have Photoshop opened here with some image, and we can get this tool by simply clicking on the window option and clicking on this contextual taskbar. If I disable that, you won't see that option here anymore, but I'm gonna enable that because we wanna use that. And first and foremost, what we want to do is increase the width of that background. So I'm gonna crop it like this much from both sides. And then I'm gonna select the rectangle tool and select the areas which I want it to fill. By holding the shift key, I can expand this on both sides. Then once we have our selection, you can either right click here and select Generative Fill, or you can come on the Edit tab and then select Generative Fill. Or if you have the tool enabled, then you can simply tap on this button and then you can give it a description of what you would like. Since this is an intelligent tool, even if you do not write anything, it knows that you want to expand the background, and by tapping on the generate button with the input being empty, it will still complete that background for you. You don't believe me? Simply tap on the generate button to see. And as you can see, our background is completely finished and it looks awesome. And not only that, you also get to choose some variations, meaning if you don't like this version, you can always choose another one. And this one, you can see this one clearly looks better, but in my opinion, all of them are good looking and we can use either of those. And now let's try doing something else, like maybe something with this character. So I'm gonna select this character and then I'm gonna tap on Generative Fill. And now I will write some prompt, like what do you want to do with this character? Maybe I will ask it to apply some sunglasses. Then I'll click on this generate button. Do note sometimes the results might not be satisfactory because this is an AI tool. Sometimes it may have trouble understanding the requirement, but for the most part it is going to get your job done because this is such an amazing feature. As you can see, it has completely changed our character and removed the other one, which is not bad in my opinion. It looks really clean, and you also have 3 options to choose from. Like, look at these results. And what will happen if you were to change the dimension of this image? As you can see, this is not really blending in with the background. Like, imagine if I wanted to put both of these girls together so they were to be in this background. And for that purpose, we also have a solution, because if you select the layer, you can see there is a prompt which you have written to get this image, and if you click generate again, it is gonna proportionate the image to match with this part of the background. But of course the image might change and there might not be the same girl, because this is an AI tool and it is always providing with different results. As you can see, we have some other neat looking results. I think we can go with this one as that is the best looking. And let's try generating something else, like maybe we would like a nice car or bike in this area because this road is empty and we want to fill that. So I will tell the AI to generate a cyberpunk neon bike. And here we have some rather fine looking bikes which also match up with our background really well. Amazing job by Photoshop. Well, that was it for today's tutorial. Hope this video helped you. Also, you should definitely check out this video. And if you took value, let us know or give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.